Hey, Crunchified Clean friends, let me show you a cleaning bag that I like to use for my cleaning business. It's one of several bags I have, and I like this one because it was actually designed by a fellow cleaner. So there are a lot of outer pockets and there are a lot of inner pockets. So you can put things either inside or out. So I see some cleaners that like to put their cloths and their towels on the outside large pockets and put their sprays on the inside. Or you could do it the way I'm doing, whatever floats your boat. There's a little Velcro detachable middle part. You can have that in there or you could take it out. I like to have it in there to separate things, but again, it's Velcro. You could just take it out. On the back part of the bag, there's a zippered compartment where you can put like your car keys, cash, any checks, or anything that you just need zippered up. So look how much stuff you can put in this. Lots of stuff. It has an adjustable strap that you can carry on you. It has those two side pockets as well. I really like it. It's very durable, very easy to clean, holds a lot of stuff. If you don't need that much stuff in it, then don't put so much stuff in it. If you do need a lot of stuff in it, then put a lot of stuff in it. I think it's great because it does hold a lot. So I'm going to put my links for all the stuff that I have in there down below. Check it out. Use my affiliate links and stay Crunchified clean. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-oily cleaning tips. Make sure your notifications is turned on so that you'll see when I post a new video, and feel free to comment with any questions or concerns that you may have so that we can interact, because I love to share. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.